Welcome to NP Interior Designs. In this video, we are taking a look back at some of our favorite wood carving works. We've been carving wood for over 30 years, and we've learned a lot along the way. We hope you enjoy this slideshow of our work. And we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more wooden works and interior design tips and ideas. We started carving wood as a way to express our creativity. We love the challenge of taking a piece of raw wood and transforming it into something beautiful. We've also found that wood carving is a great way to relieve stress and relax. Over the years, we've experimented with a variety of wood carving techniques. We do all types of woodwork. We do both handmade, CNC wood carving works, wooden main doors, side borders, wooden furniture, wooden statues, and more. We're always learning new things about wood carving, and we're always looking for new ways to challenge ourselves. We hope that our work inspires you to create something beautiful with wood. Let me know about CNC wood carving. You know, CNC wood carving is the future of woodworking. And it is cutting-edge technology that allows you to create intricate and complex designs with precision. With CNC wood carving, you can create anything from furniture to sculptures to decorative pieces with ease. Our CNC wood carving service is perfect for businesses and individuals who need high-quality wood carving services. We use the latest CNC technology to create stunning wood carvings that are both beautiful and functional. Here are some of the benefits of using CNC wood carving. Cutting-edge CNC technology. Harnessing the power of computer numerical control, CNC, we bring a new dimension to wood carving. Our cutting-edge machinery enables us to achieve unparalleled precision and intricacy in our creations. Every curve, every contour, and every detail is meticulously carved with the utmost accuracy, resulting in breathtaking works of art that mesmerize all who behold them. Limitless design potential. With CNC wood carving, imagination knows no bounds. Our skilled design team can transform your wildest ideas into reality. Whether you seek a mesmerizing geometric pattern, an exquisite relief carving, or a custom-designed sculpture, we have the expertise to make it happen. The versatility of CNC technology allows us to push the boundaries of what is possible and create unique pieces that truly reflect your vision. Expanding the frontiers of possibility. CNC wood carving not only brings precision, but also unlocks opportunities for experimentation. Our team of artisans combines their traditional woodworking skills with the capabilities of our cutting-edge machinery. We can seamlessly integrate different wood species, incorporate intricate joinery techniques, and explore innovative textures and finishes. The result: extraordinary wood carvings that transcend expectations and leave a lasting impression. Overcoming challenges with precision. While CNC wood carving presents its own set of challenges, our expertise and attention to detail ensure flawless execution. We carefully select the most suitable wood species, considering factors such as grain pattern, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Our artisans meticulously program the CNC machines, optimizing tool paths and speeds to achieve the perfect balance of precision and artistic expression. Every challenge becomes an opportunity for us to showcase a mastery of the witness the beauty unfold. There is an undeniable sense of awe and satisfaction that comes with witnessing a CNC wood carving project take shape. As the machine intricately carves out each detail, your vision materializes before your eyes. The flawless execution, the fine craftsmanship, and the sheer beauty of the finished piece are bound to leave you spellbound. Experience the magic of watching raw wood transform into an extraordinary work of art. Precision. CNC wood carving is a very precise process, which means that you can create intricate and complex designs with ease. Versatility. CNC wood carving can be used to create a wide variety of objects, from furniture to sculptures to decorative pieces. Speed. CNC wood carving is a very fast process, which means that you can get your projects done quickly. Cost effectiveness. CNC wood carving is a cost-effective way to create high-quality wood carvings. If you are looking for a high-quality CNC wood carving service, then we are the perfect choice for you. We have a team of experienced CNC wood carvers who can create stunning wood carvings that will exceed your expectations. If you're ready to elevate your living spaces with awe-inspiring CNC wood carvings, we invite you to get in touch with us today. Whether you have a specific design in mind, need assistance with conceptualizing a piece, or simply wish to explore the possibilities of CNC wood carving, our dedicated team is here to help. Let us turn your imagination into a stunning reality. Contact us at 9642844474 to embark on an extraordinary journey of CNC wood carving. Witness the fusion of precision and artistry, and let your space come alive with the timeless elegance of CNC wood carvings. Thank you, and until next time, keep watching our videos. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.